Ever feel like there's more to life, more potential within you waiting to be unlocked? A hidden power just begging to be harnessed? Well, you're not alone. And what if I told you there's a guide written over a century ago that claims to hold the key? Hello, and welcome to A's Book Talk. Today, we're diving deep into a book that promises to reshape your understanding of yourself and the world around you, the Edinburgh Lectures on Mental Science by Thomas Troward. Thomas Troward, a divisional judge in British-ruled India, was your typical self-help guru. Born in 1847 and passing in 1916, his intellectual journey led him from law and administration to a profound exploration of the human mind and its potential. Troward, deeply influenced by the writings of Judge Thomas J. Hudson, dedicated his life to understanding the laws governing human consciousness. Unlike many of his contemporaries, Troward grounded his mental science not in religious dogma, but in what he saw as logical principles akin to scientific laws. He believed that by understanding these laws, anyone could consciously direct their thoughts and, in turn, their reality. This book is the culmination of his work, a series of lectures delivered in Edinburgh aimed at providing a systematic and practical approach to harnessing the power of the mind. The Edinburgh Lectures is structured as a series of interconnected lectures, each building upon the previous one to present a complete system of mental science. Troward begins by laying the groundwork, establishing the fundamental principle that thought creates. He argues that our mental attitude, our habitual way of thinking, is the primary force shaping our experiences. He stresses that the universe is fundamentally mental, existing as a vast, intelligent substance that responds to our thoughts. This isn't some airy-fairy, New Age concept according to Troward. It's a fundamental law, as predictable and reliable as gravity. One of the core concepts Troward introduces is the idea of the subjective mind. He posits that each individual possesses a subjective mind, which acts as a channel through which the universal mind expresses itself. This subjective mind, unlike our conscious, objective mind, doesn't reason deductively. Instead, it accepts impressions from the objective mind and works to manifest them in our reality. Therefore, the thoughts and beliefs we consciously impress upon our subjective mind become the blueprint for our experiences. Troward then delves into the practical implications of this understanding. He emphasizes the importance of conscious thought control. Since our thoughts create a reality, it's crucial to cultivate positive, constructive thought patterns. This isn't about simply wishing for things to happen. It's about consciously impressing the subjective mind with the desired outcome, coupled with a firm belief that it will manifest. He provides techniques for achieving this, including visualization, affirmation, and meditation. For achieving, including visual for He also addresses the common obstacles that prevent us from realizing our potential. Doubt, fear, and negative beliefs are powerful forces that can counteract our positive efforts. Troward argues that these negative emotions arise from a misunderstanding of the fundamental laws of the universe. By understanding that we are all connected to the universal mind and that it is inherently benevolent, we can overcome these limitations and cultivate a state of unwavering faith. Further lectures explore the laws of growth and attraction. Troward explains that the universe is constantly expanding and evolving, and that we, as individual expressions of the universal mind, are meant to grow and prosper. The law of attraction, he argues, is simply the natural consequence of this principle. Like attracts like, and by cultivating positive thoughts and emotions, we naturally attract positive experiences into our lives. He spends a considerable amount of time elaborating on the relationship between the individual and the universal. You see, we aren't just passive recipients of fate. We are active co-creators of our reality, working in partnership with the universal mind. This understanding empowers us to take responsibility for our lives and to consciously shape our future. Finally, Troward delves into the practical application of mental science to various aspects of life, including health, prosperity, and relationships. He offers specific techniques for overcoming illness, attracting abundance, and creating harmonious relationships. He emphasizes that mental science is not a quick fix, but a way of life, a continuous process of conscious creation. So, what are the key takeaways from the Edinburgh lectures? First, recognize the power of your thoughts. Understand that your thoughts are not just fleeting mental events, but powerful forces that shape your reality. Cultivate conscious thought control, focusing on positive, constructive thought patterns. Second, develop unwavering faith in the power of the universal mind and your connection to it. Overcome doubt, fear, and negative beliefs by understanding that you are inherently worthy of abundance and well-being. Third, practice visualization, affirmation, and meditation to impress your subjective mind with your desired outcomes. Fourth, understand that you are a co-creator of your reality, working in partnership with the universal mind. Take responsibility for your life and consciously shape your future. The Edinburgh Lectures on Mental Science is a powerful guide for anyone seeking to unlock their inner potential and create a more fulfilling life. While some of Troward's language may seem a bit dated, the underlying principles remain timeless and relevant. It's a book that challenges you to rethink your understanding of yourself and the world around you, and to embrace the power of your mind to create the life you desire. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the Edinburgh Lectures on Mental Science. If you found this discussion insightful, please like and subscribe for more book recommendations. Let me know in the comments what books you'd like me to review next. Until next time, keep reading, keep thinking, and keep creating.